Run. How are you? Today, the main topic is the world between 1900 and 1950. The difference between the countries at last of the 20th century. We can identify three categories of the impacts of the World War. Different impacts. Different impacts divided into three categories. The first one is the political impact, second one is the economical impact, third one is the other impacts. Three categories of the impacts of the last century of the 20th. We should take the first one, political impacts. Political impacts. First political impact is British domination or decreased at the end of the 20th century. First one is British domination decreased. Second one is America and Russia got the supreme powers at the end of the 20th century. Now, America and Russia got supreme powers. And third one is the European powers, the countries are lost their power at the end of the 20th century. European powers ended. And the fourth one is India, Burma, Egypt got the independence. And some more important countries are also dominated the other countries during at the last of that period. Example, India, Burma, Egypt. These are France and Portugal, Holland lost their powers at the end of the 20th century. These are only the political powers and political impacts at the end of the 20th century. Portugal, France, Portugal, Holland lost their powers. I repeat the points. Political impacts. British domination or decreased all nations. America and Russia got the supreme powers at the end of the 20th century. The European powers are also lost their powers on the other nations. India, Burma got the independence. France, Portugal, Holland lost their powers of the 20th century. And the second one is the economical impact. After the Second World War, were great loss of the nations. All nations are lost during the period of the First and Second World Wars. And the next economical impact is the experts did not estimated the loss, and the political experts and the economical experts did not expect the loss. The experts did not estimate. More than 2.5 crore of the people were died during the periods of 1900 to 1950 or First World War and Second World War. And the third one, 2.5 crore of the people were died. Fourth one, The warships were destroyed. The war tanks were destroyed. Death of the human cost were raised. And here, war aids, warships, war tanks were destroyed. In Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the well-developed cities and industrial cities were destroyed by the atoms of the America. Till to now, they are very suffered. Hiroshima and Nagasaki had heavy loss by American atom bombs. And the third impact is other impacts. After the Second World War, the United Nations Organization formed, and USSR and USA got the more powers. These are only the bipolar nations. The bipolar nations are USA and USSR. They are extreme powers. These are other impacts of the world wars. Finally, we can identify three important impacts. The first impact is the political impact. Second one is the economical impact and other impacts.